Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. This is going to be a very brief video. I'm not going to get into the fundamentals of HBAR, but here's the question. Should you be buying HBAR right here, or adding to your bag, or adding to a new position? Well, let's find out. I'm not going to get into the fundamentals. There's a video about HBAR in the playlist. Take a look. Now, I just want you to know that I only make these trades in the down times on really good, solid, fundamental cryptos. So let's get to it. Now, this is the lifetime chart. Now, look what this thing has been doing. It started off the first of the year pretty good and tried to make a move, and then it just fell with the rest of the market. But look at this trend line uh, right here. That's pretty good. And we're right at the bottom of testing that support. This is just in line with the long-term trend. But now let's look at something. If someone, it's basically starting to retest that low again. So the odds are it's either going to break through, it's going to go sideways, or it's going to run. Well, based on where it's been, and I personally feel very confident that sometime in 2022, we're going to blow through that top. And so if I'm entering or anyone's entering right here, which I just got to disclose, I'm already in the market and I'm looking to add to my bag. But this is a great entry point, and you're pretty much going to 1x, 1.5x your money just if we take out those old highs. So I love the risk reward. Now, how should you think about entering the market? Here's my strategy and my suggestion. Again, not financial advice, but being that we've pulled back and we look like we're starting to trade sideways, I don't want to wake up in the morning and it's already back up in here. That kind of defeats the purpose of getting, a day where everything's on sale. So I would suggest anyone looking right here, follow the 1 minute chart. And when it looks like it's hit the bottom and is going to stay there, go ahead and put in about 50% right here. Now, if you deploy 50% of your money and you wake up in the morning and it's down in here, that's another gift. I hope that's what happens. I hope it moves against me. So I would deploy 25% more. If it goes down, say, the third day and it just really falls apart anywhere in here, go ahead and deploy the rest of your money. Now, the good thing about that, if you want to, you can make a trade out of it, because if it gets down in here, it's probably going to at least pull back and start to, do something like that, at least. So, that being said, if I'm down in here and here, by the time it starts to retest this resistance right here, that's a pretty decent trade. Now, if you wake up in the morning and it's up in here and you've already deployed half your money, I would suggest just leaving it alone. I'm not going to chase it. Like I said, I'm already in the market. I'd be adding to my bag right here, so that would be all good. And I really want to add to my bag as it pulls against me. But I don't want to miss this great opportunity of the entire market being down. Now, hear me out on something. That's how the institutions and the big money put their money to work. They try to deploy on the bad, negative days when the average person is just scared. Now, if you uh, are uncomfortable in these down markets, you either need to get out of the market, just buy a Bitcoin that's something that's more conservative, or you need to basically learn how to trade and learn to understand that the money's made on the down days. You want to buy the dips. Now, why I have such conviction and why I feel so comfortable is because of the fundamentals. HBAR has great fundamentals. And so anytime it gets beat up, I'm looking to add to my position. Now, that's just me. Again, not financial advice. But think about it, guys. I feel comfortable that the people that bought all up through here are going to be fine long term. So if they just stay in the market, they're going to be fine. But the people that get in down here, well, the people get in down here, you sell to the people here. That's what I suggest. So anytime I get in on the dips and it starts to rally over whether that's a week, a month, 2 months, whatever, once it gets up in here, I'm going to start averaging out. Now, I normally, if it goes to take out this high this year, I'm going to leave probably the last 25% in and let it run. That's just my strategy, but that's what I think the average person should do if they're just like a medium term trader. And with all the craziness in the market and all the Fed reports, the SEC, uh, all the stuff that we have coming out, I think if we get to the point where we're taking out the old highs, the entire market, like if Bitcoin takes out 70, look to get out of your position and take some profits. Leave some in there. I would highly suggest in case Bitcoin, for instance, runs to 100. But there's probably going to be other trades you'll want to put on by then. So anyway, that's what I want you to look at, guys. I love this pullback. If we're lucky, we get to buy down in here tomorrow morning or the next day. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I'm going to start doing a lot more of these type videos for trading, and they're time sensitive. Please hit the like button. We're trying to grow this community. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments and share with like-minded people. Take care, guys.